Hey everyone, Ryan B here with Practical Forex Trading, and this is your weekly analysis for UK oil, Brent Crude. The date is February 14th, 2021. It's 12:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on this Valentine's Day. Interested to see what action happens tomorrow. We've got President's Day in the U.S. market, so trading won't really kick off in the U.S. till Tuesday. However, I do expect a UK market to be in full swing, unless there's a holiday I don't know about. If so, leave it in the comments and I'll get educated. If you want to stay up to date with all of our videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And if you want to learn how to trade, check out the link below in our description, which leads to our course on the Udemy platform. Okay, so looking at the daily chart for oil here, we can see my sentiment is bullish. I believe we'll see the price of oil continue to climb, and our first resistance being here at the $67 to $70 range. So the why behind that is, if you look back to January of 20, about a year ago, a little more than a year ago, as well as the fall of 2019, and we can see multiple times here, 2019, that price either stopped at this point or pivoted at this point. And seriously, just draw a horizontal line is the best way to identify it. You know, trend lines are very subjective. However, horizontal support and resistance is a very grid-like analysis fashion, right? You're just breaking price into grids. We can see the last time price pushed up into here, even back in early 2019 when it did break through to 76 a barrel, it paused here for a number of days, right? It looks like about 20 days. So that's our next target, $67 per barrel. We're moving well ahead of the fast-moving average. This is the 20-day fast-moving average. We have the 20 on top of the 50 on top of the 200, which is our green light as far as a bullish trend is concerned. And all you have to do to really identify how moving averages work is look how they work historically. So you can see here the fast was under the medium, under the 200, and that was a very significant downtrend. So if you were shorting oil this whole time, you were making money. Then price kind of went sideways for a bit. All the moving averages merged. But then as our trend continued, we broke out of this grid here, this initial gap that we talked about for weeks and weeks where price was holding about 46 a barrel. Price finally broke through, came back and touched, and then all our moving averages lined up. This is how I want to see them stacked. So I label them blue, red, green, but that tells me the bull trend's in full effect. What may happen at any point is that price may lean back and touch this fast moving average. And we should just expect that in an uptrend. And those make better opportunities to add on to our positions. So it's not the trend is going down, it's just taking a break and moving back up. If we did draw a trend line here for our most recent trend, I'm going to start it right about here. We can see this trend channel forming. And I know where to set my trend line because I can see where price touched on both sides of the line many times. So we can see that here. I can count at least 20 to 30 times where price touched this line, these candles, and then moved either above it or below it. So this week, looking for a touch to 67. And if price goes sideways, I expect 57 to hold. That's we have some support at 57 per barrel. Put it here. And that lines up with our fast moving average. So even if tonight there's a huge sell-off in markets, comes back down to 57, so what? Another great opportunity because as my moving averages tell me, the trend is definitely in full effect. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great week trading. Hope you make lots of cash. Take it easy.